This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janice Bosel. Year-round paradise. Stunning renovated deep-water canal front home. Open floor plan, covered dock, huge wood deck overlooks the sparkling water. 2 master suites. Enter through double glass front door into an open expanse living area. Dining area has granite counterweight bar. Open designer gourmet kitchen west custom cabinets and stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous granite counters and breakfast bar. Huge great room features a wood-burning stone fireplace. Newer updated baths, AC, plumbing, electric, Seawall.Tons of windows enhance your views of the deep water canal and large open deck. Hurricane impact double pane windows throughout. Spacious 2-car garage west/washer-dryer hookup. New sprinkler sys pump. Located a short distance to the open water and 5 miles to Sebastain Inlet. A fisherman's dream. For more information, review the details below.